Ladies and gentlemen, and anyone who's ever said,
"Wait, can you hear me?"
on a YouTube live stream or podcast. Today we're talking about the ByFaily or Pro R C414. Is it the best microphone for YouTube, podcasting, live streaming, and even recording your cat's midnight serenades? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about why this mic is making waves. The ByFaily or Pro R C414, as it's now called, is like the Swiss Army knife of microphones. It can do live streaming, podcasting, and recording YouTube videos. Can it record your GarageBand's next hit? Oh, you betcha. And guess what? It's under $100. That's like getting a gourmet burger. Gourmet burger? That's like getting a gourmet burger for fast food prices and getting all the fixins with it. Unlike some high-end restaurants I've been to, you get a beautiful, solid microphone that obviously looks great on camera. A really decent pop filter, similar in design to the overly expensive Hakan. Admittedly, the flex arm is a bit flimsy and difficult to get into position, but it does perform its duty very, very well at stopping plosives. But to be honest, a good mic technique completely negates the need for a pop filter anyway. Oh, and did I mention? It comes with a plastic but very adequate shock mount. But because it's plastic, make sure you don't over-tighten the nut or it will strip faster than some random girl at a sketchy bar when you offer her $20. One of the coolest things about this mic is how it sounds when recording off-camera audio for your YouTube videos and streaming videos. It can pick up everything from my dramatic whispers, "I ate the last cookie," to the loudest, most obnoxious, distorted guitar you can find. And trust me, I tested the guitar. My neighbors now hate me. Now let's talk about polar patterns. Fancy term, right? It just means that some mics can switch between different listening modes. Cardioid, or from the front, is perfect for solo stuff like vocals or streaming. Supercardioid, just a little narrower at the front, which is great for when you want to block out your noisy roommate. And omnidirectional means it's listening all the way around. That's for when you're recording your entire family arguing over Monopoly. And spoiler, someone always flips the board. And for the record, this ByFaily or Pro R C414 style mic can't do any of those things like a real C414 with the exception of the cardioid pattern, which means that it mostly listens from the front. Unlike today's kids who never listen at any time from any angle unless there's a payment involved. Just a quick disclaimer, I bought this mic with my own money and nobody has asked me to say anything at all. The opinions are therefore my very own. If you like this mic, I will leave the Amazon link in the description below and the link to the I/O Station 24C from PreSonus. I'm recording off camera into the I/O Station 24C, which is renowned for its clean preamps and going directly into Studio One. There is no processing at all with the exception of gain control and noise removal to make everything easier to listen to. The settings are all right here below. Durability alert. This thing is built very well, or at least well enough since I accidentally dropped it, and it didn't even flinch, aside from the minor windscreen damage. But tell me, why don't they put a spinning ring here to spin mics onto the stands? Shure SM7B is the only one I've seen that actually has that. But anyways, it stayed very usable, and that makes it like the Chuck Norris of microphones. Plus, it's got a sleek metal body that makes it look way more expensive than it actually is. Perfect for flexing on your viewers to make them think it's a real C414, which brings up an interesting point. How much of what we hear is based on what we see when it comes to microphones used for recording our YouTube videos and streaming and podcasting, etc.? Let me know in the comments if you think looks play any role. If there's enough interest, I'll make a fun video with proof to show you otherwise. But you'll have to be subscribed to know when I release it. I tested this bad boy for music recording and wow, it captured my very questionable guitar skills and my even more questionable singing, not gonna lie. But hey, the mic made it sound like I almost knew what I was doing, and frankly, that's a win in my book. For all you podcasters out there, this mic is a game changer. It's affordable, easy to use, and sounds like $1 million. Okay, maybe not 1 million, but definitely a few hundred. Plus, it's perfect for beginners who don't want to sell their kidneys to be able to afford new and good gear. Now here's the downside. This mic is a bit of a diva when it comes to wind and plosives, probably why they included the pop filter. So if you're planning to record outside, you'll need a windscreen and a dead cat. Otherwise, it'll sound like a hurricane in your audio. And no, not the Beyonce kind. Simply put, don't use this mic outside, since it falls outside outside of its intended use, which would be more geared towards YouTube Studio, podcasting, streaming, and other indoor setups. So is the Bi-Phaily Pro RC414 the best microphone for YouTube, streaming, and everything in between? Honestly, it's pretty close. It's versatile, affordable, and it sounds amazing. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned content creator, this mic is a solid choice, but it is not an AKG C414 in any way. FYI, they cost about 1,700 Canadian dollars. But on the other hand, it makes a really great modding platform to maybe get it closer to a real C414. What do you think? Is the Bi-Phaily Pro RC414 the best mic under $100-ish for recording your YouTube videos? Let me know in the comment. And if you're new here or returning, please understand that there's little chance of these types of videos ever becoming viral, so please hit that subscribe button for more reviews that are equal parts helpful and hilarious, because I'm funny. Especially if you want to see the upcoming full review of the Lewitt Ray, which is a complete game changer when it comes to recording YouTube videos, podcasts, live streams, and even perfect for music studio recording of vocals and instruments. Until next time, keep creating, keep laughing, and for the love of audio, stop using your laptop's built-in microphone. I'm Turbo the Tech Nerd, and I appreciate you. Until next time.